Let's get a little R&R, humans. Today on the show, I forgot my memory card, and we're going to go for a road trip and find some, well, we're going to get some parts for the Bandit, the last parts I need, and we're going to go car hunting. So, ready? Where's my road? Pontiac Drive. Where is it? It's coming up. Oh,
turn right on Pontiac Drive.
Something's going on. Something got pulled over again. Remember last time, the car got skinned. I don't know what's going on here, but we're getting arrested. Anyway, so we're here, driving in. All right, so.
You've arrived at your destination.
Yes, I have. Isn't it smart? Look at all the Pontiac parts. Got me some license plate brackets, my floor pan, fitting it in my wife's car. They said it would fit, and it does. That's good. So as I'm out buying my parts, I'm buying the last part for the Bandit, for the trunk pan for the Bandit that we're going to be doing next. But I have this car. I was going to sell it. It's an automatic. I don't want another automatic. But as I was out there, okay, I remembered a guy had a Camaro. A guy I talked to at the swap meet, his friend had a Camaro. So as I'm driving back, I called him. He calls me back. He's like, "Yeah, you got to take this Route 10, get down there." I'm like, "Holy crap! I'm there at the oval right there." So I turned, got down Route 10, and I was right there. Bandit, get away from the chickens! Stop, stupid dog. So I got down Route 10, found the guy. It's a 4-speed car. Everything's gone, but the pedals are there. So I'm going to make this thing a 4-speed car. All right, so I ended up finding another Camaro parts car for 250 bucks. That's where that car was. I just showed you a picture of. He had it, but I didn't take any pictures of it. You think I would have showed you, but I don't think of it. Now, he gave me a lead from a guy who has some 4-speeds for cheap money because he's getting a divorce. And I'm trying to find a place. Tried to find him, end up going to another place where I thought I was at the right place. All right, so I'm trying to find this garage. I don't think it's that place. Said it was on the corner, and I think it's over here. Said he thinks the name changed. It's got to be this place over here. It's got to be this place right here. Auto repair, used vehicles. It's got to be that guy. Thought I was at the right place, and no, I was at the wrong place. So he told me where to go. So I left and I went back in. I'm like, you know what? Hey, I'm always looking for Firebirds. Do you have one? I mean, not do you have them, but do you know anybody who has any? And the old guy there says, yeah, I got one. It's all back. You want to see it? It's for sale. I'm like, okay. So I go out there. It was a 79 anniversary Trans Am. I forgot to take pictures of it. That's what I do. Imagine how good the show would be if I remembered to take video when I'm supposed to. But it's all in pieces. There's like the back half from about here back is there. The whole front's gone. $100. Let's get a 4-wheel disc posi rear end. I'm going to throw it in this car. I'm going to get the pedals from the other one, make this a 4-speed car. And I tried to find a guy with the 4 speeds, didn't have what I wanted. I actually ended up finding him. But little quick rundown of what I'm going to do to this car. So stay tuned for that. I'm going to make this a 4-speed car, as I like this car. I know everybody doesn't like the spoiler. Everybody's like, it's I won't say the word, but they say it's stupid. And I get this big, monstrous shake, whatever you want to call it, cowl on it. No one likes it. Whatever. I like it. So I'm going to fix this one up the way I want. Put that 4-wheel disc on there, 4-speed. That's going to be a nice car. Okay, and I'm going to paint it yellow, yes, with 2 black stripes on it. That's what I'm going to do, okay? Get ready for that one. Okay. That's all after the Bandit, you know that. The Bandit's first. Then I have that other Z28 I got to finish too, the solid one. I have that to finish. So after all that, well, in between also, I'll find that. So I guess I'm not getting rid of any cars. Stein over there is going to stay. I'm not getting rid of him because that's the his and hers car. His is Frank, the 4-speed with the T-tops, and hers is right there. Automatic. Actually has air conditioning in that, but it's all torn apart. But yeah. And then I got Sheila. Don't forget I got Sheila still. Maybe when I get this Stein one finished, I'll cruise around with Dan, I'll have him follow me to car shows. So Frank and Stein, you know, will be at a car show. People, I think they'll like it. Yes, I know. I gotta go get the part out of the car. Oh. Let's see how this looks, huh? It's like a nice piece. The bandit. Wow, that looks pretty freaking nice. Actually, that looks really nice. I think it has all the right bends in it and everything. Look at that. That's a nice piece. Get the bends that wrap around here. Let's get all the gas tank brackets on the bottom. I think on the top it actually has some brackets too. Actually, it's a nice piece. I feel like this piece was $500 and something. There's this little bracket put into it. These brackets are on there. These ones here. It's like a full. Well, it even has the spot for the ground. This is in there. This is like a full, real OE style panel. That's a nice piece. Wow, I'm not hacking this. I'm not cutting this up. It's gonna go in just like that. That's a nice piece. I know in the other videos when you see me doing Stein out there, I don't do it as nice. When I do this 77 Bandit, no, it's gonna be perfect. So, stay tuned for that. Do it again.
I hope you enjoyed the show. And remember, if you didn't, there's nothing I could do about it.
I forgot to do this whole thing. Okay? There you go. Check us out.